Brisbane, Philippines, and welcome to my channel. Minasan, konnichiwa! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I am reacting to Mr. Junichi Inagaki to his song called Dramatic Rain. So without further ado, let's play the video. Guys, this is my very first time listening to a vocalist or a singer, a solo performer playing drums. Wow, he looks so cool on those drums while playing it and while singing as well. But most of singers, they play piano, guitar, harmonica. But Mr. Inagaki, he's playing drums. And the melody of the song sounds really cool. I love it. The song is called Dramatic Rain. Well, I think it's a love song, guys. Sounds really cool, right? Wow! All the musicians are female, guys. The two guitarists and the keyboardist. Wow, amazing! Wow.
Lane, how much I love you. Lane, how much I love you. Lane.
I'm so amazed by those female guitarists and keyboardists. Wow, awesome. They sound so cool. And of course, Mr. Junichi Inagaki's voice. Powerful. I love the way he sings. He plays drums. He's so cool, guys. Well, this is not my very first time reacting to Mr. Junichi Inagaki. I've reacted to his song about Christmas, and this time it's Dramatic Rain. I have here the information about the song. Released in October 1982, this song is his third single. And this is a love song that talks about an affair. Oh my goodness. And I have the English translation of the song, Dramatic Rain. Tonight, you suddenly loosen your long hair. The asphalt shines, two people stand still. The city night is dramatic. The car lights is just like a dangerous love invitation. If it go deep like this, men and women, dramatic rain. Please pour down more strongly. The two of us soaking wet. Rain, please pursue us more intensely through our chilled bodies. Even with the rain sound, sins can't be hidden. If we walk with upturned colors, the two of us silently dramatic rain. Very deep lyrics, right, guys? Well, I really enjoyed Mr. Inagaki Junichi playing those drums. He looks so cool and he's talented. Well, thank you so much, guys, for listening with me. I'll see you in my next video. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you have any requests or suggestions, just comment down below and I'll check it out. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, or share my videos. And hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!